quick video on the Insert tab. Let's take a look at some of the most common commands and functions in the Insert tab. So we're going to go ahead and click Insert, and we see what we have available to us. We are going to, from this tab, we can get tables when you insert a table into your document, or pictures. If you have pictures on your computer that you want to put into your document, online pictures. You can also insert shapes or smart art or a screenshot of your page. You can do a video. We can actually put videos into Word documents. And if you're going to email them and you actually look at them on the screen, that works just fine. However, if you're going to print it, you know that your video is not going to play. Here's where we put on the header and the footer to our document. We can give it a page number or put in some word art. And here's also where we get symbols. So these are just a few of the common functions or commands that are in the Insert tab, and we'll look at those more in depth on future videos. This is a quick video on the Insert tab.